You probably started a SIP of 5,000 rupees and feel confident about your retirement. You see calculators online showing massive wealth and think you are set to become a Crorepati. This is the biggest trap for beginners today. That 5,000 rupee monthly investment is a great start, but mathematically, it will completely fail to build the 1 crore corpus you are dreaming about. Today, I will prove exactly why this happens and show you the exact strategy to fix it. Let us look at the raw math. If you invest 5,000 rupees every month for 20 years in a Nifty 50 index fund, assuming a standard 12% return, you will accumulate around 50 lakhs rupees. You are short by a massive 50 lakhs rupees. To hit 1 crore with just 5,000 rupees, you need 26 years. Those extra 6 years mean working longer and delaying your retirement. The numbers do not lie. A flat SIP amount simply cannot outpace time effectively. The situation is actually worse when you factor in inflation. Inflation is the silent wealth killer. Assuming a 6% average inflation rate in India, the purchasing power of your money drops by half every 12 years. That means your 50 lakhs corpus after 20 years will buy you the equivalent of what 15 lakhs buys today. You will not have enough to cover basic medical bills, let alone travel the world or live a stress-free life. The rich do not use flat SIPs. They use a powerful mathematical tool called the step-up SIP. As your career progresses, your salary increases every year. Your lifestyle expenses usually increase too. Your investments must follow the exact same rule. A step-up SIP automatically increases your monthly investment by a specific percentage every year. You do not need to find a massive lump sum of cash. You just need to commit to a small annual increase. Let us apply a 10% step-up to your original 5,000 rupee SIP. In year 1, you invest 5,000 rupees per month. In year 2, you increase it by 10%, making it 5,500 rupees per month. In year 3, it becomes 6,050. This small, highly manageable increase matches your annual salary hike. You barely feel the difference in your monthly budget, but the compound interest engine inside your mutual fund portfolio gets a massive boost of fresh capital. Now we calculate the exact returns of this step-up strategy. By simply increasing your SIP by 10% every year at a 12% return, your total corpus after 20 years explodes to 99 lakh rupees. You practically hit your 1 crore target in the exact same 20-year time frame. You closed a 50 lakh gap simply by adding a few hundred rupees extra each year. This is the compounding secret your bank manager will never explain. Setting this up takes less than 2 minutes. Open your broker app like Dhan or Zerodha right now. Go to your active mutual fund orders and click on your SIP. You will see an option labeled Step Up or Top Up. Click it, set the percentage to 10% and set the frequency to yearly. The system will automatically adjust your deduction every year on the specified date. You never have to manually calculate or change the amount again. Every single month you delay fixing this mistake costs you lakhs in future returns. Do not let inflation destroy your hard-earned money. Go modify your SIP right now and secure your financial future. If you found this mathematical breakdown helpful, hit the like button so the algorithm shares it with other beginners. Subscribe to Girish Invests for more practical, no-nonsense wealth creation strategies. I will see you in the next video with another actionable financial guide.